What makes Halmann Vella Halmann Vella? Well, it's partly what we do, but mostly it's why we do it. At the heart of all our projects is love and hard work, searching high and low to source the best materials for the job, whether that takes us to our own quarries in Malta or all over the world. 60 years of experience have taught us a thing or two. Our 200-strong workforce can take a project from sourcing the stone through design to engineering the finished result, turning a humble stone into a work of art. With millions of euros invested in top-of-the-line technology, backed up by our own in-house manufacturing facilities, which use eco-friendly systems, we continuously strive to keep our business efficient, our prices competitive, and our environment clean. Our experience allows us to take on projects of any size, from the smallest requests to residential homes to corporate spaces and large projects. Our passion, tireless commitment to quality, and specialized team of craftsmen have brought us a reputation we're proud of and projects we're honored by, both at home and internationally. A better life starts with our surroundings. Only the best will do. That's why we do it. Halmann Vella, surfacing the most beautiful spaces.